Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. Killer car, guys. A funny story behind this car. A buddy of mine called me up with this car, and I said, man, that thing's got to be wicked cool. He said, wait till you see it. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who got me this car, and man, he said you're gonna love this car, and he was 100% right, man. I love this little Dart, man. Fun car to drive. Matter of fact, I've been out driving it a couple of different times now, and sorry, let me get my shadow out of the way here. Super cool car, man, and I will tell you, as nice a driving A-body I've ever been in. This thing is nice and tight. It rolls down the road. I love the color combination. This is Bahama yellow. I love all the black accents. Of course, it's got the black rear tail stripe, blah, blah, let me spit it out. Black vinyl top, black interior. Look at the meats on the back of this thing. It's mini tub. Those are 10-inch wide Mopar steel wheels. I love the look of this car. It's got a pounding little 360 in it. Just sounds great. And like I say, you won't believe the way this thing rolls down the road. Nice and tight, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. It just hits the road, man. Chrome and stainless is nice. Couple little touch-up marks on it. I didn't see a whole lot, guys. New bumpers. Sorry, that's just something on it. Slick Bahama yellow paint. Of course, it's got the sport hood on it. And like I say, engine sounds amazing. Got a nice little cam to it, but it's really built to cruise. There's not a big gear in it. It's only a 323 in the rear end. Again, I'm sure if you wanted a lot more performance out of this car, you could change the gear and get it, but it's actually set up to cruise. When we fire this thing up, you'll think it's, you know, it's a you'll think it's set up to go to the drag strip, but it's really not. It's set up to turn the key and go cruise down the road. And again, very impressed by the way this thing handled. These look like new taillight bezels. Nice. Sorry guys, a little dust and everything all over it. That's me running it down the road. Nice and straight down the sides. Love the wheels and tires. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Again, 15-inch Mopar steel wheels. It's got 10-inch wides in the rear. It is mini tub. And you want to talk about drawing some attention, man. Like I say, cruising this thing, everybody thumbs up in, and I mean, cool car. Does have front disc brakes. Again, just great sound and 360 engine. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Does have headers. Does have electronic ignition. You can see it's got a aluminum radiator with a shroud. Again, does have front disc brakes. Manual steering, and I'll tell you what, it's one of those cars that'll fool you, man, because this thing drives so free and easy. It's unreal. It's kind of like that Blue Nova. Heck, the Blue Nova, when I did the video, I thought it had power steering. It didn't. And this car is the exact same way. Love the valve covers on it. Yeah, that's a fun car right here, man. Whoever gets this thing is going to just have a blast. It is a real dart swinger. Boy, look how nice those are. Mirrors are nice. Those look brand new. Those look new. Door rubbers look new. Pretty car. Factory bench seat car. I've got the nice carpeted dart floor mats coming for it. It's probably, you guys probably think I'm a broken record because it just takes me time to get that stuff, especially right now. But they're on the way. The nice carpeted floor mats. 35,000. I'm sure that's 135. We're gonna have to check this. Both those gauges are not working. Speedo works. Alternator gauge works. I mean, the heat blows nice and hot. It's actually a radio delete car, which is pretty cool. I'm not a radio guy at all. When I'm in an old car, I want to hear the engine. H-pipe, dual exhaust. Again, 8 3/4 rear end. It's a 323, so no big monster gear. Sorry, my guy's got wax everywhere. That means Eddie's doing his job, though. What a cool car. And again, it's all body color in here. Looks like the original insulation's still on the quarters. Super cool car, man. I love these hot rods, man. I'll be honest with you, I wish it was gonna be nicer weather, man. I'd be cruising this thing for a while. Actually, the little white Cornet I got, I was actually gonna order a set of wheels and tires just like that. Problem is, they're telling me about 3 months to get them. Gotta love these Mopars. Seats are nice. And again, very, very impressed by the way this thing drives down the road. Steering wheel's nice. Again, the heat does work. Blower motor works. Go ahead, Jordy. Yep. Oh, look how nice those are. They've definitely had to replace those. Listen to this bad boy. That's cool, man. Again, doggone it, David. It is a pump gas engine. It's it sounds mean, but it's built to cruise. It's not super radical. This car's cool, man. Again, we're gonna have to check on the gauges. Temp gauge does work. Speedo works. We haven't even had a chance to look at them. Guys, just been so busy that we're constantly prepping stuff as it leaves. Hopefully you can see that. All the lights work. Even the backup lights in this car work. Well, now they make a liar out of me. I know those backup lights work. I just backed this thing out. Man, this car sounds good. Yeah, it's radio delete. Blower motor does work. Cool car. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I like it, man.